Welcome to our channel. Epson L3251 Wi-Fi setup on laptop. Easy guide for L3250, L3210, L3256. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Plug in your Epson printer and press the power button. Make sure the printer is ready before starting the Wi-Fi setup. Step 2. Connect your laptop to Wi-Fi. Check that your laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the printer to use. A stable connection helps avoid setup issues. Step 3. Download the Epson software. Visit the Epson support website and download the latest setup software for your printer model. Install it on your laptop before continuing. Step 4. Start the printer setup. Open the Epson setup program and choose Wi-Fi connection when asked how you want to connect the printer. Step 5. Put the printer in Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer for a few seconds until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. This means the printer is ready to connect. Step 6. Select your wireless network. The setup software will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home or office network from the list. Step 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Double-check for uppercase and lowercase letters before clicking Next. Step 8. Wait for the connection. The software will send the Wi-Fi settings to the printer. This usually takes a minute or two. When the Wi-Fi light stays solid, the connection is complete. Step 9. Print a test page. Print a test page from your laptop to make sure the printer is connected and working correctly over Wi-Fi. Step 10. Troubleshoot if needed. If the printer doesn't connect, restart your printer, laptop, and Wi-Fi router. Then run the Epson setup again and ensure you're using the correct Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching.